Getting your CalendarBridge AI scheduling assistant up and running only takes a few minutes. Here's a step-by-step guide to set it up. Start by logging in to your CalendarBridge account. From the left-hand menu, click on Assistant. This is where you'll set everything up. First, choose the email account you want to connect to the assistant. This should be your primary account, the one where you send meeting invites and scheduling emails. It's the only address the assistant will recognize when you CC assistant@ai.calendarbridge.com. So make sure it's the one you actively use for coordinating meetings. Next, you'll have the option to add secondary calendars. These are any additional calendars the assistant should check when looking for your availability, like a personal calendar, a second work account, or anything else that might have time blocked off. If you don't see all your calendars listed, you can click Add More Accounts to link them now. Next, select your time zone. Your assistant will use this by default, but you can ask it to use a different time zone case by case in the emails you CC it on if needed. You can also link your Zoom or Teams account. If you include that in your configuration, the assistant can automatically add your meeting link, no more copying and pasting. Finally, set up your user configuration. This is where you train your assistant to follow your preferences for how scheduling should work. On the left, there's a sample configuration you can use as a guide. It shows the kind of things people often include, and it's a great way to start thinking about your own preferences, like how far in advance to propose meetings, whether to include location info, or what kind of tone to use when the assistant reaches out on your behalf. And that's it. Your setup is complete. You can come back and make changes anytime. Now let's see how it works. Open your email, the one you connected, and send a message like you normally would. Just CC assistant@ai.calendarbridge.com and ask for whatever you need. For example, "Hi Kate, let's schedule a quick catch up over Zoom." Then add a quick line letting them know your assistant will take it from here. That's all it takes. Now, let's take a look at what your recipient sees. Your recipient doesn't need to sign up, log in, or do anything out of the ordinary. From their end, it just feels like a real assistant has stepped in, one who replies quickly, professionally, and handles the back and forth with zero friction. In about a minute, the assistant steps in and takes care of the rest. No links to manage, no tools to learn. Now go ahead and check your calendar. You'll see the new event has already been added, complete with the time, location, Zoom link, and any preferences you included in your configuration. That's it. Your assistant's handling it from here. Get started today at calendarbridge.com.